Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Caesar dressing without anchovies. Start by mincing garlic and zesting lemon, then whisk egg yolk or mayonnaise with Dijon and lemon juice, add grated Parmesan and a pinch of salt, and slowly drizzle in olive oil to form a creamy emulsion. Taste and adjust acidity and salt, then fold in black pepper and extra cheese for richness before chilling briefly for best flavor. To replace anchovies, consider capers or chopped olives for briny punch, or a small spoon of white miso to add subtle, fish-free umami. Grated Parmesan and a dash of Worcestershire bring savory depth and round out the dressing. Balance acidity with lemon juice and a touch of Dijon mustard, and always taste as you go, adding salt and pepper sparingly to avoid overpowering the delicate flavors in the dressing. Proper technique makes a silky dressing. Whisk egg yolk or mayo with mustard and acid first, then add oil in a thin stream while whisking vigorously to emulsify. Transfer to a jar and refrigerate. The dressing will keep safely for up to 5 days. If separation occurs, re-whisk or shake the jar briefly before serving. Serve chilled over crisp ramen and freshly grated Parmesan for best results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.